Hey guys, today was a monumental day. Show Flooring just took in 700 reviews. This is huge. We've come so far, and this didn't happen on accident. We always take your feedback. We always take all the info you guys give us, and we try to bring it to you guys on the floor as our price, because we know price is pretty important, and our reviews show that we have really low prices. We also know our stock is really important, so we have been stocking this place. You take a quick look around while I keep talking. It is stocked. And we'll come over here. Right here, I got our vinyl. Another really important part would be our installation. So now we install hardwood, vinyl, carpet, tile, you name it, we do it. But people really enjoyed our installation on a few different factors. One, they enjoyed our price on it. Two, they enjoyed our how good we install and the quality of work, and we warranty our work. And also, they liked how quick we get it done. Since we stock it, we do not have to wait. Another important reason why people leave us reviews is um, I got notes here, is our customer service. If you go into our reviews, you will see that people pick us out by name: Kevin, Cortez, Norm. There's plenty of us here, so I'm not going to name them all, but they all go in there and they treat every customer really well. They've been trained and they know exactly what they're doing for any project that you have, and that's why we have 700 reviews. And this is not a small accomplishment. We've been working really hard for this, and the only way we get this to get to 700 reviews is by doing all the things I just went through and making sure we're experts in flooring, and we're experts on bringing in flooring that's affordable for you, and we have it in stock. And this is the stuff you guys are looking for. I hope you guys come to Show Flooring. If you haven't seen us, check out our reviews and come to us. Our address is in the caption, and but it's 6830 West 63rd Street, Chicago, Illinois. Give us a call, 847-447-3355, or shoot us a message and we can come out there and install. You do not have to come in the store for installs too. So, but other than that, I'm just saying thank you for spending your time on giving us all these reviews, and now you're giving the opportunity to other people to see who we are, and hopefully they have a great experience, just like all 700 people did for you. Thank you.